In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free loot. Scrappy the Rooster. Arc Raiders tip. If you're playing Arc Raiders, there's a simple way to keep your stash topped up without grinding every minute. Scrappy the Rooster quietly gathers resources for you while you're out topside, and it's a tip you don't want to miss. Here's how it works, and how to claim what he collects. Scrappy starts accumulating loot once you've been topside for at least 1 minute. Topside simply means you're out in the world, on a run, actively playing. While you're up there, time counts towards Scrappy's collection. He focuses on useful crafting materials, metal parts, fabric, plastic parts, chemicals, rubber parts, and assorted seeds. The amount he gathers scales with how long you stay topside and whether you successfully extract at the end. If you extract cleanly, you'll typically see better yields, so think of extraction as locking in your time investment for Scrappy, just like it does for your own loot. A couple of important limits keep this system fair. Scrappy does not work while you're offline, and he takes a break if you're hanging out in Speranza or sitting in menus. Only active topside time counts. Also, his stash can fill up, so you should claim it before it reaches the maximum. If you let it cap, any extra time spent won't add more, and that's free value left on the table. When you're ready to claim, it's quick. From the main menu, head to the workshop, which you'll find in the top left area of the interface. Inside the workshop, look for the chicken icon. That's Scrappy. Click it to open his screen. Here you'll see exactly what he's gathered so far, broken down by resource type and total quantity. If you're nearing the cap, don't wait. Just hit claim to move everything into your inventory immediately. There's no extra step, no cost, and no risk. Once you press claim, those materials are yours. To get the most out of this, make a habit of checking Scrappy after your sessions, especially if you've been topside for a while. Extract when you can to maximize what he brings in, and don't let his stash fill up. Remember, he won't accumulate anything if you're offline or idling in Speranza. So your best routine is simple. Play topside, extract, and then swing by the workshop to claim. That's all you need to consistently pull in free materials from Scrappy the Rooster. Keep this loop going, and your crafting supplies will stay healthy without any extra grind.